India Pumbi in a Pangto the Miko Tipi Tapata Sanamahi, Lining Basa Kandora Tokai Kalam Natraga Court Tamnanaba, Rai Sabaki MP Leshema Sanajaoba Parliament Tuxin Cray, MP Sanajaoba Wafam say, Nasisataki Rai Sabaki Parliament me from the special mansion in a Pukatuna Tuxin Kibani, Muhammad MP Sanajaoba, Rai Sabaki Siami Punin Sinchiladana, Sanamahi Lining Miko Tibi Tongan Lining in a Masak Kangnaba, Manipur, Legislative Assembly na. Gomzalising ni kunito ki August manga da warep laudana Registrar General amasung Census Commissioner of India da thaki balai kre Assembly da loki warep adumak miyangi mihut wari MLA singi da natana matam kaya da ki mitay purup ki apaba oina laklabani masik matata Sanamahi bu masak khangpi na ba lamdam masik scholar civil society purup ki lusing basing lining tho Sanamahi Temple Board amadi Utra Sanglen ki mai kai da kisu taksin na lakli yedubu Sanamahi ki oiba tokai ba kalam natraga ko na matambida bana Lining as was celebrated by Miami, lining Masakadu on a Tainan, Wale Hina House of Tamki, Lenin Sanamahi Masakang Biduna, Tokaiba Kona Kalam Tambana, demographic is Sapsaba Masakang Bagada, Natana, cultural heritage Nax Chendra Constitution, a period religious freedom Amadi, identity Kaihan Daba Ngangari, Maramadana, Atomatam the Sanamahi Masakanga, Tokaiba Kona Amadi Kalam Tambi Hina MP as in a Taksin Key.
The Manipur Legislative Assembly, through an unanimous resolution adopted on 5 August 2022, had urged the Registrar General and the Census Commissioner of India to include Sanamahi as a separate religious category. The resolution reflects not only the collective voice of state-elected representatives, but also the long-standing sentiments of the Meitei community, for whom Sanamahi is an indigenous and ancient faith with unique religious practice, rituals, and cultural heritage. Despite repeated appeals from scholars, civil society organizations, community leaders, and religious boards or authority like Langtong Sanamahi Temple Board and Utra Sanglen Sanakonu, etc., the absence of an independent enumeration code for Sanamahi has led to misrepresentation and a dilution of the religious identity of its followers.